Welcome to Brackets Fantasy World Cup 2026, the first Web 2 plus Web 3 compatible app. You can enter as a free player or go Premier for full tournament access. Today we'll sign up with Gmail and build a free team, takes less than a minute. Hit sign in and you'll see your options, Gmail, Facebook, or connect your Web3 wallet. We're going with Gmail today. One click and you're in. You're now on your teams page. No teams yet, let's fix that. Hit create team and the modal opens up. Type in your team name. We check availability in real time. Green means you're good to go. Select the free tier and hit create. Done. Your team is live and ready to build. You're now inside your team. Scroll down and you'll see your formation, the football pitch, and the full player list. This is where the fun starts. Filter by country, let's go with Portugal. The full squad loads up instantly. There's Bruno Fernandes, midfielder, valued at $14,000. Hit the plus button to add him to your squad. He drops straight onto the pitch. Click save to update changes. Once all 11 players and caption is selected, you are ready to go. Follow us for more app tutorials and brackets updates. Share this with your squad. The more managers, the better the competition.